Welcome to BTI Communications Group, a company that provides communications, solutions, and services to the most diverse businesses. As an exclusive business partner of Inter-Tel, BTI offers the full line of Inter-Tel's technologically advanced products and software applications. This important case study is one example of the continued successful partnership between BTI and Inter-Tel. Breez Financial Services was looking for a single-source solution provider that would become an extension of their team, a provider that could understand their visionary approach while allowing them to stay in touch with their employee and customer needs. In addition to the seamless installation of a new communications platform, BTI's innovative profit solutions recommendations included call center applications, attendant console, unified communications, and networking Breez's Southern California locations, as well as service, support, and training.
Breez Financial has been in business for about 26 years.
We are a retail-based mortgage company.
And all of their sales are conducted over the phone.
We are in the business of customer satisfaction.
Primarily doing our marketing direct to the consumer.
To Breez, calls can be equated directly to dollars, both on the sales side of the business and on the service side of their business. And that includes not only inbound calls, but outbound calls as well.
When we were using our old phone system, I was unable to track any call that came in, and when it was lost, I looked at that as every potential loan that possibly could be put through our system as a missed opportunity, which it equates to us for thousands of dollars for each call.
When we first began working with Breez, they were using a Inter-Tel platform.
It wasn't designed for a call center environment, which is what we really needed it for.
They're doing thousands of calls a day, and the current system was not able to handle it.
We tried to evolve it into something that we needed, which required a lot of labor. It required a lot of manpower and extra hours that was incredibly expensive for us.
It just didn't provide the technology that we needed.
We didn't have all the capabilities and know-how of knowing how to operate that system. We had no support.
We found that when we wanted to manipulate the system, it was using archaic commands and was very cumbersome for us to be able to get what we needed out of it.
It was really patched together with stick and glue. So that's the reason we started searching for a new phone system, for something that would grow with us.
The end solution that they were looking for was something that would help them to increase sales.
We decided to go with BTI. Even though the other vendor came back with a lower price, we decided to go with BTI because we felt that it was a true partnership and that they understood enough of our business in order to make the system work for us.
At Breez, we took a very close look at their business process. We interviewed their people in their various departments, from the loan consultants to the service advisors to the processing people, and really mapped out their call flow for them.
The Inter-Tel system that we chose is a very flexible system.
To help handle the calls for Breez, we had to make call transferring easier for them. So the attendant console was a perfect application for them.
The call center suite application in the Inter-Tel system is a fabulous tool for us in a call center environment. We take calls now that used to be abandoned calls where we had no way to track that call and or get a hold of the customer that we're trying to reach. Now with the call center suite, I can create a report with that number and I can track any person that has called and unfortunately couldn't get a hold of a loan consultant.
The management tools that it brings to the table for each managing team, reporting daily, weekly, and monthly, was a perfect application for Breez.
Now we can pull reports and know exactly what's going on at all times on the floor.
And in our business, time is money, and numbers that are lost are very important to us. So the call center suite has been an invaluable tool. We
were able to substantially increase the number of leads per call, which was a key ratio for them, as well as the overall sales productivity of the company.
We're able to monitor our loan consultants to make sure that we're delivering the right message to the customers and really provide the top-notch service that we would like to provide to our consumer.
It has numerous applications, including the unified communicator, that has been an incredible blessing for us, as it has provided us the connectivity amongst the branches. It is a convenient tool for me personally, so I don't have to use my phone. Everything is done on my PC. I have access to all of my employees at the touch of a button, which has been a great efficiency for me.
As Breez was implementing this system, one of the issues was the advent of the national do not call list, which was on again, off again, and Breez needed a solution for that as well.
And we needed an outbound dialer that would allow us to stay in compliance with all of the new national do not call rules. And Armstrong allowed us to do that by bundling in the do not call list, and in a sense prevents us from calling people that are on that list.
We not only were able to help Breez be compliant with that do not call legislation, we were also able to help them triple or quadruple their actual call volume output, which translates into more sales.
I currently have 4 teams under me with 4 managers, and their job has become so much easier now that we have the system in place.
It really allowed me to bring in a less technical person to assist in the maintenance of the phone system. Previously, when I needed to move somebody or add a voicemail or add an extension, it took me calling the vendor out to actually get it done or have them dial into the system.
It's a much more simpler system to use. We have the support we need. The guys at BTI are awesome and really giving us all the information that we need to make sure that we use this system to the best of the system's capabilities.
I'm able to have someone not as technical go in and move extensions, create extensions and voicemails, and obviously reducing the cost that I need to allocate to maintain the system.
The managed service approach fit very well with Breez's business model.
And as I've learned and understood more of the managed services program, it has been more beneficial that they really truly are a partner with us.
Our responsibility as their managed services partner is not only to ensure that the telephones are fixed when they break and to ensure that the T1 lines are working all the time and that they're billed at the correct rate, but also to ensure that Breez is getting a positive return on their investment.
BTI took enough time to really want to be our partner and help with our growth.
Since beginning with BTI, Breez has actually increased the size of their system fourfold as they have been able to take the processes that were developed and multiply them over and over again and bring on rapidly new teams of people, put them on the phone, make them productive, and make them make sales.
Breez has developed a great relationship with BTI. As I said before, I really feel they are a partner in business with us, and their customer service has proven that. They truly do walk the talk.
The result for Breez has been increased business performance, increased sales, and better ratios.
It's about customization. It's about communication. It's about care for the customer. It's about BTI's Profit Solutions commitment.